This 2023 Alliance RV Valor 42V13 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 7, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, oven, refrigerator, TV, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Alliance RV Valor 42V13 is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.